So my headlights are now at the point where they're becoming yellow and becoming oxidized. So in today's video, I'm gonna be testing out Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit. It's a two-step process where you use the cleaning pads and the cleaning solution to rub onto the headlight until all the oxidation and all the yellowing is gone. And then you wipe it off with a clean microfiber cloth. And then afterwards you spray some headlight coating on there to seal the deal. And for this kit, there's no drill required. So let's get to it. So we don't scratch the paint. I'm gonna be masking out the outsides of the headlight because this cleaning pad, it feels like steel wool. And I don't want to scratch the paint. Before the sun completely goes down, I went ahead and just did this side. You apply the cleaning solution onto the pad and then and with a back and forward motion, just clean it. And you wipe it with a clean microfiber. Clean it, dry as much as you can. Oh. Dang, looks nice. So we're gonna let that dry and then we're gonna do the other side and then come back to you. The sun's going down. So look at this side, it looks so clean. And then fog light looks pretty good too. Clean it. One more pass. And then let cure for 24 hours. As you can see, the results to this two-step kit were immaculate. They're really good. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you're new here, subscribe, leave a like, comment down what else I should review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.